Hi guys.
I'm so anxious, I can't even say hi.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And yeah, my name is Ruth if you're new, and I'm with my friend Bakang. Guys, Bakang talked me into filming the spicy noodles challenge. I don't know why. Well, I know why, guys. Literally, Vongai made us do this. If it wasn't for Vongai, we would have never done this. Vongai. Anyway,
I'm mute today because I'm so nervous, guys.
Because they smell so spicy. And they're a lot. But yeah, I think I am ready. I'm never going to be ready, okay? I'm never going to be ready, so... Yeah, we cooked
Oh,
them,
the
we
loser
edited
gets
them.
an ice bucket thrown down them.
Why you pointing at me? This is I'm gonna lose.
The loser gets an
Well,
ice bucket.
Guys, I don't like spicy food at all. Anyway, yeah, let's do this.
Clink, clink.
Shall we?
When they say if you take like big thingies. Clink, clink.
What?
Cheers.
You can't take that much.
First of all, it's about finishing it.
Guys,
I have olives and ice pop, by the way.
I spoke some miss right there. And water. Why would you drink water before?
Because I'm nervous. I'm trying to calm my
Sorry.
nerves.
Okay, guys, let's do this. Wait, let me cut my. I thought she said the same time. So some feel. You.
It's a good fight.
I know.
Guys, peer pressure. She's putting me under pressure. 1, 2, 3, go.
I'm like, I'm going to sip it. Okay, let's do this.
I can't stop laughing because it's gonna end in tears. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. I can't breathe. We were gonna have a conversation while at it.
Yo, guys, my heart is burning.
I feel like I don't want it to touch my lips.
Me too. I feel like the longer I wait, the more. You, guys. We should have stuck to two sachets.
This is a lot. This is a lot.
You. Yo.
Y'all are not dramatic.
Yo.
Lord bless you. Guys, I want to finish. Guys, Mason is in the room. She's having fun. She's having the time of her life. Also sabotage. Are we quitting?
Yo, what's wrong?
That ice pop actually makes it better.
For real?
Anyway, how are you, friend? So, for those subscribers that are not from here, the other day we lost what is it?
A rapper.
A rapper.
Female rapper. I guess the best female rapper. In both.
And we were just talking about how I think I'm gonna quit. Ice bucket, please. It gets harder as you go, I guess.
Hi guys.
It does, guys, seriously.
You wanna bite? No.
Baby, baby.
I can do this, I can do this, I can do this. I can do this.
Guys,
I can do this. I can do this, guys.
I like baby.
I'm not a quitter. Guys, you're making noise. Go, Ruth. Oh, I can't. Yo.
I don't wanna do it anymore.
No, guys.
I didn't eat.
Yo, guys. My head was literally aching.
Are you quitting?
You quit first.
No, I didn't quit.
You did.
I didn't quit, guys. I didn't quit. I'm no quitter. I didn't say I quit. I didn't say I quit. Ooh. I didn't say I quit. Kappa, I won, guys.
We didn't finish.
Let's continue. I have one olive.
I have a whole entire ice bomb left.
Are we stopping? No? Okay. She won't back down, guys.
What time? Guys. I like it. Woo!
Woo! Listen mo ko ting. Listen mo ko ting musuza ka ditsebe. This is what it literally feels like.
Your chair.
But yo, my ears, everything about me. We have a bride to attend up there. What are friends for?
Nothing.
Yeah, Nick.
So guys,
Can I get another one?
I can literally only talk now because I can't eat this no more.
So I win.
No, you could.
But mine is less than yours.
What do you? There's nothing like less. You
There
took, you
is.
took 2 forks.
First of all, there is.
I took 3 forks, Bakang.
Look at my plate.
It doesn't matter.
Look at my plate.
Who was measuring it? Exactly.
They were.
No,
Guys,
my lips.
Hold on.
My lips.
So guys, I don't want to lie. I've been judging y'all so badly. So bad. Sorry. I've been judging you guys feeling like you're dramatic or but it ain't it. It's not it.
Now my lips are burning.
Put ice around it.
Guys. So guys, we're literally gonna talk about this issue of people bullying others on social media. Seriously, like guys, what's that all about? Like seriously, like why?
I feel like they don't realize that it just reflects on them, like how much of bad people that they are. Because why would you go out of your way to honestly try to hurt somebody?
Seriously, like why?
Who inhuman? Like I don't understand.
Like why? Seriously, take your phone, typing all these nasty stuff about somebody else. Seriously, like you have that much time in your hands.
I feel like it's not even an issue of not even an issue of time. Like time, I feel like we could give it a pass, but then when I hella like as an individual, guys.
Like to portray your insecurities just by literally pointing out what somebody else is doing or whatever weaknesses that they have. Like why can't you talk about yours?
Yep.
Like why can't you talk about yourself?
The other
Anytime
day,
you feel like doing that.
The other day I read something that said, wait, if you ever find yourself talking negatively about me, please pray for me because I want to be as perfect as you are.
Seriously.
So
Seriously.
I was like, ooh.
This,
which is a clear indication that nobody's perfect.
There isn't. Nobody. So like I was also saying like earlier on about just how sad it makes me feel like every single time somebody dies, guys. Like I've seen people who are not even famous, people who are not known die, and people are just saying these stuff about them on social media. Like families have literally found out that their family members have died from social media. Like guys, can we not like give a family some sort of respect? You know, like it literally just came out from the recent death. Like just how, guys, even today it's still on social media. Like there are so many, like there are 1 million stories about what happened. But guess what? None of us were there. None of us were there, but all of us have something to say about it.
And
like, why?
They involve in parties.
Say anything about
anything.
it. You know,
that's the
like
weird thing.
why? What is the reason? Like if people are investigating, let them do that. You understand? But who are we to come just start making speculations? Like how do you think the family feels when you're talking like that about their sister, their daughter, their girlfriend, their family, cousin? Role model, like guys.
Immune to death. Are you guys immune to, like, you guys are not immune. It's going to happen to you, and believe me, it's not gonna be like you guys are out there acting so inhuman, saying hurtful things to other people, going out of your way to make another person's life so messed up. Like, you were not built like that. Sorry to disappoint you. I don't care what you say. But nobody was built like that. That's not how God made us.
True. We are talking about a deceased person.
What?
No, this is my side of the story. So there's the advantage of saying every single thing that you can say about them.
Yep. So guys, basically this was just a rant.
Sure.
Because it's a very sensitive topic. And I don't even wanna like make it a cultural or a thingy.
Yeah.
For like a cultural thing.
Yeah, because it happens everywhere.
Hey, like guys, let's just do better. Stop being mean to each other. Like there's so much kindness to give. Like everybody needs a little bit of kindness. So guys, no.
For rough my life, guys. COVID has just come to do the most. Like the last thing you want or the last thing you need is somebody bashing you for stuff. So please guys, like just learn to respect people. That's what I'm gonna say. I was very disgusted. I was very mad this whole week just about what people were doing. So we need to do better. Like that's what I'm gonna say. Anyway, needless to do, guys.
Highly dramatic YouTubers. But you won't admit it because your faith is very competitive. But I won, as you can see. My plate is like far less than her plate, and yeah. So you comment down below. Do comment down below who won. Like let's just settle this fair and square, and we will record a video pouring the ice bucket on the loser because we need a loser. I would get so much satisfaction. I know I was just talking about being me, but I'd get so much satisfaction because she's not gonna admit it. So
but I took the last bite.
And mine was not. That's the list. I don't care.
Bye guys.
Thank you so much. Please, let's get to how many are we now? 4. Guys, please subscribe. Like I see your views and
everything.
The subscribers, and I'm thinking, I mean, it's not even gonna cost a penny to subscribe. So pretty please subscribe. Let's interact. What am I saying? This like interact, comment, like, share, like, please.
All that shenday.
Yeah. Let's share the fun.
Exactly.
Thank you so much for watching us eat.
I didn't even eat for 2 minutes on the video.
Yeah.
Anyway, bye guys. Sérieux ou les? La relève, ça